My name's Thomas McCabe. I've been fishing for probably about 15 years or so. I started when I was young. My pap got me into it, and I never gave it up. We live in a great place in Cambria County. There's streams all over to fish that are very successful. Bob's Creek being one of them, Wilmore, and the Little Conemaugh is actually a great up-and-coming stream that was once polluted, but is getting cleaned up now. It's a well-kept secret. I think with the water that we have around here and a lot of the mine pollution that we have, I think a lot of our things are overlooked. We have a lot of private organizations and clubs, just a great community that really puts together a lot of fish for your outdoorsmen, for your avid fishermen. They stock a lot of streams that people just overlook and never would believe there's fish in here. My favorite thing about fishing in Cambria County is probably the scenery. You're always in the back in mountain streams, and yet most of the streams are next to the railroad. So you're always fishing under railroad trestles or under bridges, which I don't think a lot of people can say that they have that great scene like we do in the mountains, coming through the mountainsides along with under railroad trestles. There's been a lot that's been going on as far as the stream we're in now. At one point in time, there's pollution flowing into the dam that came through this outflow, and a lot of the streams around this area were once polluted by acid mine drainage. There's been a lot of organizations, donations, water treatment plants all coming along that's really changing our community. It's opening up miles and miles of more streams that have been untouched, and it's really a great thing to watch kind of happen. In my lifetime, I was able to remember streams that were polluted, and now it's crazy that I'm fishing it, and there's even wild fish coming through these streams. So it's a great change, and I think it's only moving for the better.